The owner wants 15 mil fall from there to there, so he's getting it. I reckon it's well, I wouldn't do it on my own, in my own bathroom, but that's what he wants, so that's what you give him. Because you always do what the owner wants, even if you say, gee, that's a little bit too much fall. You always do what the owner requests. So tomorrow I'll be sticking this down. Okay, I'll just be screeding that, and then I'll be coming out here. But all my pads are set up for the heights. I'll give this to this waist about 5 mil, just a little bit of fall, because it's such a big tile. You can't bend them like rubber. Okay, we'll see you soon. Give us a thumbs up. Woo! Subscribe. See you later.